Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Today is finally time to talk about the key signature of F major, and the song is the Ballet Dancer, on page 13 of John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course Part 2. This one, if you have studied well, sunrise, obviously, and the bells ring out, is the first big chapter of this book where we are learning a very professional thing. We are learning the key signature, the meaning of key signature. Is obviously from this moment on becomes even more challenging for everybody, everything. The reason is quite simple. From now on, the flat sign is in this region and is not featured anymore, at least regarding the B that has to be flattened, and it means that you will have to remember. Let's obviously now simplify. Let's read together this yellow cloud, yeah? So, when the flat or sharp sign appears next to the clef sign, in this case you have only the flat, yeah? It becomes the key signature. In this piece, all the B's are flattened. It is in the key of F major. So whenever you find a B, like ear, 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 and then you will find ear, ear, these B's have to be played flat. And you know what it means? Because we have learned what does it mean B flat in the flat sign in the sunrise song on page 12. From now on, you don't get it anymore before the note, like it was in the sunrise. You were getting always the flat just before the note. Now, no. Okay? Obviously, we will get only one more flattened note. It will be in the first bar of the third line. Indeed, this guy is trying to tell you, see if you can find this black key by yourself. And which one? Since the note is on the first line of the treble clef stave, is the E. With a flat, you don't have to play anymore the simple E, at least is only in this bar. Yeah, this is valid. Only in this bar. But you will have to play the E flat, the nearest black key to the left, the closest one to the left side. Okay? Before we play it, I want to invite you more than ever to study anyway single hands first. Separate hands. First of all, the right hand of the whole one, respecting obviously the rest sign. Then the left, and then all together. And instead of trying to point to the whole one at once, study small blocks. We will play now first the whole one, and then I will show you what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Now, in terms of method, I want to play for you these two bars a few times, showing you how you should study. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If you are confident enough, obviously you can carry on. Otherwise, you keep going. You play again the same two bars. You play them again in loop. Once you feel confident enough, you move to the second block of two bars, and you do. By playing them, you discover that they are identical, so it means that there is not that much need, and you can definitely play the whole one. But don't mind that these ones are identical, because you get the habit. And by getting a good habit, then you will study well always. So I'm going to play the whole first line. Once you're ready with the whole first line, move to the second block of 2 bars. This obviously is different. We don't have anymore the D on the second note, but on the second count, sorry, but we have the E, and the second bar is not starting from E like it was in the first line. Start from G and then is F and D, and then you can indeed study these 2 bars, the first 2 bars of the second line, doing insist even more, and then you carry on. Okay, so if you apply this very simple basic method, you will be definitely fine. You can do exactly the same with the following 2 bars, even though these ones are quite easy, and you apply the same method on the third line. Luckily, in the third line you will have to split the melody, right, left, and then at the end again a little bit of hands together. If you will apply this method, the Ballet Dancer will come out really easily. You have to simply keep in mind finally that from now on, when you get the flat sign in between the clefs and the time signature in the middle, that element, that flat in this case, becomes key signature. It means that all the B's have to be flattened from the first note up to the last note, unless the composer doesn't tell you to play that note, in this case the B, natural again. But you will definitely discover these kind of things step by step. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me by commenting, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for today.